Hello and welcome to this short introduction regarding the ESCP database, or the database where you have access to the necessary data for your group homework project. So first I'm going to show you how to set up an account. So the first step would be to go to Google and then you type in WRDS, hit enter. And what we're looking for is the Wharton Research Data Services database. Okay, so this is a database or database provider that aggregates data from a lot of other databases and makes it very convenient to use. So we go on that page, and the first thing you need to do is go on and register a new account. First, we need to look out for our institution, ESCP Europe. Then you are a master student. You type in your first and last name, call it max test, and then test at escpeurope.eu would be the account. Department, we don't need that. Desired username, max test 2018. Okay, degree, and then we hit register. So okay, yeah, so this is final input check. I'm going to continue the registration and accept the terms, and then an account is requested. There's somebody at ESCP who is responsible for that, and I do hope that over the next few hours she will be able to accept your requests so that you have access to this database. Okay, that's it regarding setting up your account, and the next video will show you how to find the respective data. Thank you.